Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and happy Easter. Hope you guys all have a wonderful Easter today. Today we're going to be carving up something special. Now, I know some of you may be concerned. I'm working on Easter. I'm not. I'm shooting this a few days prior, having it uploaded today so you guys can enjoy the piece. Now, today we're going to be taking this old beat up board I've had kicking around and turn it into hopefully a beautiful wall hanger piece. But the goal is to take something old and turn it into something new. That is the plan. You guys can see this thing's been around. It's got some drill marks, paint. It is all beat up. We're going to turn it into something new though. Today we're going to be using the PowerSmart 20 volt lithium powered chainsaw, hopefully, to do all the carving. And we'll be cleaning it up with some power tools. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, guys. Let's start making some sawdust.
Turning this old board into something new, it reminded me of 2 Corinthians verse 17. This means that anyone who belongs to Christ has become a new person. The old life is gone and a new life has begun. I was carving this and I was thinking, man, we're taking this old beat up board and turning it into something new, something fresh. And I just felt that I made to share that with you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful Easter and enjoy the video. Thanks.
Hey guys, chainsaw work is done. I'm going to move into the power tools and start kind of cleaning this piece up. These are cut right through. Clean it up the best that we can. We got some overcuts. Man, it's tough with that saw, but hopefully you guys are still here, sticking with me. Well guys, here it is all done. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out really awesome. Give me a like, leave me a comment. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, guys. Most of all, have a happy Easter. Enjoy your time with your family. I'll see you guys later. Bye.